I don't know if you've ever tried this before or you get out every day, but I think it's worth it. Some days were hard, some days were easier, but I'm glad we did it.
Mom, you gotta see how good I am. Huh? Like this.
Woo! Cool. I think you might have to work on it more tomorrow. It's getting kind of cold.
Yeah.
Hi, guys. Woo. So it's 30 degrees warmer than it was about 2 or 3 days ago. And I didn't make it out yesterday, but the kids did. We had a lot of errands to run and I had to make dinner. It was getting really late, so I missed yesterday, but this is day 5. I'm trying to beat the rain. I think we did, so that's good. Well, we were busy in the house doing a bunch of stuff, so we didn't make it out to play today, but I'm grilling burgers in the barn. Does that count? Yeah, did you want to come outside before you knew about the puddles? Alright.
So if it doesn't break through, it just sits on it.
How is it pretty thawed out right here? Ouch, you can see through it. What happens when we get a bunch of warm weather and rain?
I didn't know it.
Uh-oh. Alright, real slow. Oh, slow.
window is breaking.
What the hell, girly?
Oh.
Here we go.
Is it snowing? Snowing out here? Go on,
I was aiming for a different tree.
This is fun! Oh wow, these are hard. I need hard.
What do you think? I think Scarlett's tired. You've got snow in your pants. Are you ready to go in the house?
Yeah, I got one.
Okay. I'm going to take the compost to the chickens. Just coming out here to get some fresh air and a beautiful sunset. I've always wanted to do a 30-day challenge to be outside, and in the summer, especially living here, it's not that difficult, but in the winter I kind of have to force myself to go out. So some of the things I learned was I had to plan in my day. It just didn't happen if I didn't plan it. So we probably had 4 or 5 days that were just too busy, too many errands and evening events. So, but I think we ended up coming out probably 6 days a week, which was nice. And now I've been in the house for a couple days, and I really wanted to get out because I missed the fresh air and the quietness. Some of the days were really challenging to get out, and the kids didn't really want to come. And then other days they were excited to come out. I had to help them a lot. It took like 20 minutes to get all the winter clothing on people and found. But overall, I'm really glad we did it because I think we were happier. It's the month of February and January, so we usually get cabin fever then, and we didn't really have any of that. So that really helped a lot with the stir craziness. Some of the times we had to come out at night because I needed Kevin's help. The timing was better that way. Some days were hard, some days were easier, but I'm glad we did it.